First, a word about Nissan trucks, which have been part of the Nissan lineup since 1959, when Nissan started selling vehicles here in the U.S. The company's history of compact truck innovations in North America is impressive, including the first half-ton, first king cab, and first crew cab. A truck was also the first Nissan vehicle assembled in the U.S., starting in 1983. In the years since, Frontier has established an incredible reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, winning numerous industry awards. Just a year ago, a 2007 Frontier owned by Chicago's Brian Murphy crossed the 1,000,000-mile mark on the odometer. Amazing. Now, the next chapter in Frontier's storied history begins with the all-new 2022 model. Let's start with the rugged new look. It's a big departure from recent generations, combining aggressive modern style with an homage to the iconic Nissan hardbody, one of the most popular and off-road competition-winning Nissan trucks ever. It has this aggressive new front end with the family Warrior-style grille and chiseled hood, framed by new precision C-shaped LED headlights and daytime running lights leading the way. Its tailored, yet tough and rugged look can be seen in the solid beam construction, the wide elevated stance, and powerful vertical fenders. In the rear, precision lighting features a machined, rigid structural look. Color is another important aspect of the new Frontier. There's an array of new body colors such as boulder gray pearl shown here, with a tactical, almost military feel emphasizing the strength of Frontier's protective body. Another thing about the all-new Frontier is its size. Right-sized. Frontier fits easily in your garage, so you don't have to leave it in the driveway or street. It's easily maneuverable for a work week in the city and precisely agile for a weekend of rugged off-road adventure. And speaking of adventure ready, Nissan heard from you, the customer, that you love the power and capability in Frontier. Featuring a standard 3.8-liter direct injection V6 engine with best-in-class 310 horsepower, the 2022 Frontier again has plenty of pull and then some. Matched to that engine is a 9-speed automatic transmission, which is designed to maximize powertrain efficiency and provide enhanced acceleration feel. The Frontier's hydraulic rack and pinion steering gear has been retuned for 22 to provide a better on-center feel, reducing driver fatigue on long trips. A new rear stabilizer bar and new hydraulic cab mounts help make the ride even smoother, while added insulation makes the cabin quieter. Frontier four-wheel drive models include a proven shift-on-the-fly four-wheel drive system with two-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low modes. And all new for 2022 and a first on any Nissan vehicle, Nissan Intelligent Around View Monitor with off-road mode. As you can imagine, the system's ideal for negotiating tight trails without having an external observer to spot for potential body scrapes or dents. Frontier's maximum towing capacity rated at a full 6,720 pounds, and Frontier handles that with confidence thanks to standard trailer sway control on all models. Frontier's also great when it comes to bed and cargo management, including the available factory-applied spray-on bed liner and innovative Utilitrack system. And with a 110-volt bed outlet, a built-in bed step, and 2 new LED bed lights, Frontier is ready for adventure, day or night. Inside the aggressive new body is a completely dramatic new interior. A complete transformation, it features all the tools necessary to unlock any adventure. Setting the stage is an available largest in-class 9-inch touchscreen with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new center stack is simplified and intuitive, allowing for a user-friendly experience for driver and passenger. And further making life easier, a standard largest in-class 7-inch advanced driver assist display with configurable information directly in front of the driver. Additional modern touches include available Wi-Fi, wireless smartphone charging, and Fender premium audio with 9 speakers. The trim, finishers, and meter accents are, like the exterior details, inspired by adventure equipment and athletic gear. Frontier now features standard zero-gravity seats, which offer lateral support and help reduce long-range driving fatigue. Addressing common customer needs, Frontier now provides 4 liters of center console storage. That's almost double that of most midsize pickups. New available interior colors, including sandstone and Pro 4X's charcoal with lava red, offer an unexpected emotional connection. Occupant safety, another element of the new 2022 Frontier, with Nissan Safety Shield 360, including class-exclusive rear automatic braking available on all grade levels. Frontier also features 8 total airbags. So that's a quick look at the all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier, a right-sized mid-size pickup that has stayed true to its heritage while addressing the modern consumer's needs. Bold new styling, exhilarating capability, a modern utility-centric interior, and a long list of safety and advanced technology features. And it's coming to a Nissan dealership near you this summer.